Hi beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about my first Summer in the Sun giveaway for 2018. So if you've been following me for a while, then you know that I like to give away prizes during the summer, and I call it Summer in the Sun. And I will give away a different beauty prize every month during the summer. So this is my first one for 2018. Yay! Okay, so I'm going to talk to you guys about the items that I'm going to give away and what you have to do to enter to win. So let's go ahead and get started. I will go ahead and let you know. You must like this video, leave a positive comment, and you must subscribe to my channel. And the raffle copter link will be in the description box, as well as all of the giveaway rules. So you can go ahead and visit the description box and enter at your own risk. Or you can watch this video and then also listen to the giveaway rules at the end. So first, let me tell you all that I had a little bit of hiccup. I'm going with my plan B for this month's giveaway. The item that I wanted to give away was the Amrezy highlighter, guys, and it is sold out in stores. So hopefully you're going to be happy with the items that I'm going to give away, but I know that I'm starting this video off just with a little bit of disappointment. I actually purchased the Amrezy highlighter a long time ago online. I didn't have any issues getting the item. I hadn't looked at it in store anymore since then, and so I just assumed it was there and didn't realize that it was still sold out. So I decided to switch things up, and this is going to be my affordable giveaway. At least one of my giveaways during the summer is usually an affordable giveaway that allows me to give you guys more products. So I decided to go with my affordable one for this month, and hopefully you're gonna like what I've chosen for you. Most of what I purchased came from Ulta. So we'll start with the first two items. I purchased the Master Chrome highlighters by Maybelline. This one is 100 Molten Golden, and this one is 050 Molten Rose Gold. And I don't have the rose gold, but I have the molten golden, and it was actually in one of my favorites videos recently. This one has been out for a while, but I was avoiding purchasing it because I didn't think I needed a new highlighter, but I finally bought it and I love it. So I'm gonna just quickly swatch my gold highlighter for you guys. Oh, it is beautiful. I'm wearing it today. It is a beaming highlighter. It's a buttery, creamy highlighter, and it is unbelievable and remarkable that it is a drugstore highlighter. I didn't purchase the rose gold one for myself. I have purchased a rose gold highlighter in the past, and I don't use it that much, so I didn't really think that I would use the Master Chrome rose gold that much. So I haven't purchased that one. So the winner will receive both of these highlighters, the gold one as well as the rose gold, so you have options. So my next item is this bronzer. This is Pro Bronzer in Dark by Absolute New York, and it even has the beauty supply sticker still on it. This was $8, $7.99, and it's in the shade dark, but I do think that most skin tones will be able to use it. If you are fairer than me, then you may just need to use a lighter hand, but it's no deeper than a lot of my other bronzers that I have that I see lots of different people using. Like, for example, my Too Faced bronzer that I have that's in like dark Soleil or something, dark chocolate. I see fairer skinned people using that one, and I use it as well. So I do think that no matter what your skin tone is, you will be able to use this. And what I like about this one, it is so soft and buttery. It requires so little effort to actually get the product out of the pan. Like, some bronzers require you to really dig in to get the bronzer out of the pan, but this one doesn't require that. It just is effortless. It just goes on my brush and sweeps all over my skin beautifully. I love the way it bronzes my skin. I'm wearing it today. It reminds me of my Becca I Panama Sun, and it's perfect for summer. It gives you a warm, sun-kissed bronzed look. To me, it's not super matte. It doesn't have a shimmer, but it's not a completely matte bronzer as well. It adds a soft, filtered look. I can't explain it, guys, but it's gorgeous. And I've been using this like a ridiculous amount since I got it. Ridiculous. Okay, next. So I decided to pick up a Milani blush. I decided to kind of go with a theme. Since I had a bronzer and a highlighter, I thought go ahead and get a blush. And this is my favorite blush. Well, actually, I never went back and purchased any more of the baked blushes like this by Milani. This was the one that I purchased, and mine has seen better days, and I actually would have purchased another one, but this was the last one. That's how popular this one is. This is Luminosa. I don't know if I said that. This is the number 5 Luminosa. It's probably their most popular shade. It's kind of this nice peach, soft peachy pink corally color. I'm wearing it today. And you can build up the color, but it's really soft and beautiful. And I have hit pan, and I still have this thing. Like, I need a new one. Because this is one of my favorite blushes, I thought that I'd give the winner this. All right, my last makeup item. I have one more item after this, but this is the last makeup item. This is a Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette. Okay, that is going to be one of the giveaway items. I just purchased these today. I purchased one for myself as well, and I used it to create the eyeshadow look that I'm wearing today. I heard about them a while ago here on YouTube. Someone had it in their favorites video, and I've been meaning to pick them up and kind of got carried away with buying other things. When I was looking for items to give away today, because I had to come up with my plan B. When I was looking for items to give away today, I remembered these, and so I purchased a different one for myself. I purchased the Iconic Fever. That's the shade I got for myself, and just so you see them side by side, I bought this one for you guys because I felt like you might like this one better. It has a lot of the warm browns in there, perfect transition shades, but it also has to me more summer colors, bright colors. I don't think they're going to be super bright, like overly bright, but I think that they're beautiful for summer. So to kick off summer, I thought this would be good. This, even though this one is called Neutrals, this has neutrals in the name. This looks like it has more neutrals in it. Nonetheless, they're similar, and they're both just $7 each. So if you decide you don't want to wait to see if you win, you can always go purchase them, and you could probably buy them both if you like. But I was kind of feeling this one, but I thought you guys might like the other one better. I might be wrong, but I thought you would. And both palettes have colors to me that remind me of the Modern Renaissance palette, as well as the Naked Heat palette. Like, it's just got some beautiful, rich colors. And the pigmentation of these palettes, oh my God, guys, beautiful. And pigmented, but without a lot of fallout. Like, I didn't experience any fallout when I was applying these. There is a little bit of kickback in the pan, but nothing excessive. But they are extremely high quality shadows for $7. I was absolutely blown away by the quality, and I'm sure I'm probably gonna go back and buy the other one at some point. I'm sure I am. My final item is this makeup bag. This is the winners. I purchased this on Groupon. This is what it looks like when you open it, and it has a drawstring here. So it has a drawstring for traveling. And this is what is really cool about this one. See, it will look like this. You can stand the items up in the bag, and it holds brushes and bottles and all sorts of goodies. It comes with a pouch like this. There is a little pouch here that snaps. It has a little snap, so it snaps inside. And inside here, there are just all sorts of compartments. There's places where you put your brushes and other products that need to stand up, like foundation and setting sprays and so forth. Okay? Okay, so what do you have to do to enter to win? So you must like this video, comment, leaving any positive comment, as well as subscribe to my channel. Those are the requirements, and I mentioned that before. There are several optional ways that you can get additional entries, and you will visit Rafflecopter link where you will enter the giveaway. All the optional ways that you can enter the giveaway will be there as well, including ways that you can enter every single day. This giveaway is open internationally. If you are international, please make sure that you understand all of your custom rules and shipping, any costs that are going to be applied to you when you receive the items, because I have lost products in the past because they didn't know that they were going to have to pay customs fees, and so they couldn't pay them, and they didn't receive the items, and the items were never shipped back to me. So please make sure that you know and understand those rules before entering. Also, you must be 18 years old or older, and the giveaway will run the entire month of June. You don't need to leave any of your personal information here in the comments. That information will be left at Rafflecopter. I will use Rafflecopter to randomly select a winner, and then I will email the winner once they are chosen. The winner will have 48 hours to respond to my email before another winner is selected. I think that that's all of the things that I needed to make sure to tell you guys, but if I have left something out, please make sure that you review the information in the description box, and you can find all of the giveaway rules there. If you don't win this giveaway, just remember I have 3 more Summer in the Sun giveaways this year. So thank you all who are returning subscribers, and thank you to my new subscribers. Welcome to the Savvy family. I wish everyone the best of luck, and I hope to see you all again very soon. So until the next time we meet again, this is Savvy signing out.